Hey guys, Xiaomi unveiled the Redmi K60 series at the end of the last year, and seeing how 2023 is almost over, the K70 series should be just around the corner, and this is the first look Redmi K70 series. So as you can see that design wise the phone too much similar to the Xiaomi 14, and MediaTek is set to announce its Dimensity 8300 mid-range chipset next week, but now we have a Geekbench runs for the Redmi K, which is expected to be announced the first smartphone on the market with this new SoC. And as you can see that the single core score is 1512 and multi-core score is 4886. The listing also revealed the Redmi K17 will coming 16GB of RAM and Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS out of the box, and phone also come with triple camera setup in the back. We also expect to Redmi K17 Pro model will be come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and Redmi K17 series price leaks are already leaked. So as you can see that Redmi K17 series come with 3 model smartphone. Redmi K17 series is expected to be launched very soon, but there is still not official word from Xiaomi. So that's all about the Redmi K17 series, all the leaks and information. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.